Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Edna, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create an account on Piggyvest so that you can start saving money. Okay, so if you've not downloaded Piggyvest, go to your Play Store, your Google Play Store on Android. If you are using Apple phone or iPhone, go and download it from your Apple Store. Once you've downloaded it, just click on it and it will bring you to this window. So all you have to do is to click on create an account. Once you are there, you are required to enter your first name and your last name, your referral code. If you don't have a referral code, it's optional. Okay, if you have a referral code, you add it there. Please go ahead and use my referral code. It's in the link in the description box below. Just click on it and then enter the number here, or you click on the link and to bring you to the page where you register. Click on register and then I think the code will be automatically fixed once you use my link. And the benefit of this is that you're going to make 1,000 naira once you register, and I will also make 1,000 naira. So it's a win-win situation with no added cost to you. Thank you. So you enter your first name and your last name. Let me go ahead and put a name. This is just for the tutorial purposes. I already have an account. I am just creating a random account. Okay, okay, and then I will enter my email address. Okay, now enter phone number. This is a random phone number. Sorry. Now they say create a password. Now you are going to enter a password that you can remember. So you are going to mix it with an uppercase letter, lowercase letter, special characters. So I'm going to enter this password. This password is just a random password. I'm going to repeat it here. So this is how your password should look like, but you have to enter something that you can remember. If you cannot remember it, go write it down somewhere. Okay, now like I said, if you have a referral code, you enter it here. If you don't have, it is optional. So you click on create a free account. Okay, this phone number is already in use. Okay, let's try again. Okay, it's now successful. Our account has been successfully created. Now they have welcomed us. They say we should enter a pin. This is a random pin. Retype the pin again. Make sure you can remember this pin, else you go write it down. Now our account has been created. Congratulations. And now we are under our account section. Now you are required to do all these things here under my to-do list. These are everything that you need to do in order to secure your account properly. Now they say you should add your BVN, link your bank or your ATM card. This is to ensure that you either deposit money to the account or you send money to your bank account. So that is why you have to link your ATM card and your bank name. Now you can enable auto save. Auto save means that once you don't, it's like an automatic savings for you. So you set the amount. Don't worry, I'm going to do everything for you. You're under the savings page. This is piggy bank. So every money that you quick save or you save automatically, as you have done auto save, this is where the money is going to enter. So because we have not set it up completely, we have not added our bank details, that is why it's showing you setup. So you have to set it up. So watch my next video to see how you can set up your Piggyvest account. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If it has been helpful to you, click on the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on that notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos, you'll be the first to get notified. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.